Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own filter on Snapchat Lens Studio. Before I start to show you how, you might be noted that this feature is not available for everyone, so it might depends on your locations, and also you need to pay for it if you want to create a Snapchat filter. So let's try. You can just click on the search column in here at your browser and then go to this page, create dot snapchat dot com. Click on enter. Okay, so as you guys can see here that it appears that the feature is not available again on the Snapchat, so you cannot create your own filter now, and unfortunately my location also don't allow me to create one. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.